I'm leaving on a jet plane. I don't know when I'll be back again. Text me and write to me. Tell the beehive to be there for me. Tell the beehive I will never let them go. You coulda go up Panama, Curacao, Cayman, New York City, even London. Anywhere you go, your food a go yam. Who you running from? Me say, who you running from?
We pledge ourselves
Others lose
to liberate all our people from the continuing bondage of poverty.
Greatness we say. The whole world in a crisis. Man a move like Taliban and a ISIS. At the end of the day, at the night and the dark, Jamaica bring back the niceness. It's a fi all of me dogs in the streets and the road is a crunch time. I go so hard on the lane and the main feel the pain and it's tough time. All the day I won't go.
Sanga fly out under full police escort. But there's a couple things that ring a loud bell to me in this case. And I am going to talk about it. About Sanga flying out and what I suspect. Let's go. But check this out. You know, before me go, we have to go play my artist. I want to know who my artist is. The one and only, the great Zion.
All your teeth down NCB and all you can cook shang. Indigenous farmers, you take them like us. Who exporting all of the weed now? Only Kelly Glass. Reaperman Ralph. You and Cigarette Julian, all you mash up the land. Reaperman Ralph. You and that chimney Julian, all you mash up the land. Old Reaperman, you Reaperman. You and that assassin Julian, all you mash up the land.
Good day, my wonderful friends. It's me again, the great. One more great countryman. Remember to like, share and subscribe. And click on another video. Now I'm gonna talk about Sanga. Cause Sanga catch the plane out of St Vincent in a full police escort. You understand? And there was something very troubling about this man or him fly out. Now, my thing is, how can you have a super criminal who is mixed up in all sort of gang investigation, killing, him run a crack house, all of that, you know. Now listen to what I'm saying. This is a super criminal who run crack house, extort, kill people. You understand? Do all of these ills, you know, and crime. And this man was able to migrate from St Vincent to a foreign country. Now, I heard he had gotten married to a young lady recently. And even the marriage, how quick him getting papers, that would be something like history. I have never ever seen it again. With that said, I want to show you guys something. Look at the screen in front of you. That's an issue that happened back in the early 2000s. That lady right there, at the time, she was the Attorney General for St Vincent. Her last name is Ruben, and her first name is Judith. Now, she have a cousin or a family member. It might be her husband, I am not too sure. But he is not from St. Vincent. And he was caught in London airport, and this was in 2004, with a kilo of cocaine and he was using a St Vincent diplomatic passport. Let me repeat again. That lady in front of you, she was the Attorney General for St Vincent, and a family member of hers got caught with a kilo of cocaine in the London airport, and that family member, the kilo was taken away from him and he was sent back to St Vincent because he was using a diplomatic passport from St Vincent. He wasn't born in St Vincent, and when he went back to St Vincent, he never went to jail. You hear what I'm saying? Okay. That brings me to look at the way how Sanga was able to acquire travel documents in a record-breaking time within, I would say within 2 to 3 months. You understand? Even if you're married, to get your papers, you need to wait at least 8 months to over a year, sometime 6, 7, 8 years. You understand? Worse if you are involved in gang shit and all sort of things, because a lot of things Sanga involved in. I'm sorry, my hand just hit the microphone. It's high profile. So my thing is, why is this guy getting away with everything? You understand? Is he a government hitman to be allowed a police escort out of St Vincent when other people are there dying, you know, and people know what's going on? You have the girl named Gaza. You understand? Sanga used to talk to her when they were young, you know. And Sanga know about her murder, you know. You understand? And that's a known fact on the streets of St Vincent. Now, all of this is alleged, but people down there know what's going on. Why is he getting away with so much thing? Is he a hitman for the government? Why the government is trying so hard to protect this super criminal? And these are the questions the people of St Vincent need to ask themselves. Yo, wanna stand up for the rights. Okay? Opposition, get up off your butt. You understand? And take control of the situation that's going on down there. That's all me have to say about this, you know. How can a super criminal who kill all sort of people, them say allegedly, set up all sort of thing, do all sort of crime, heard running a crack house in the middle of Kingston, St Vincent, and he was able to have a police escort to the airport, get travel documents in a nick of time, and he was out of there. Yo, only in St Vincent that can happen. Listen people, let me know how you feel about this. My name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe and click on another video. Yo, me did think Jamaica corrupt, but you see the corruption where they are St Vincent and Trinidad. Remember me tell you, that corruption there, listen, it's hard to explain it, but one day me I gotta explain the difference in terms of corruption. St Vincent is a smaller place than Jamaica, and to the level of corruption and the level of even the killings them, if you had that many people from Jamaica and St Vincent, it would be a very, very deadly place, especially if you can have one set of crew are people working with the police and the government. I mean, that's a total, where you call it in the business world, monopoly. And in Jamaica, them thing they don't really work like that. Yo, my name is Countryman. Remember to like, share, subscribe, and click on another video. And remember, the video coming up about Jocelyn, I've been saying Belize, and I have the Belize video, you know, and I keep on itching to do the video, but I am gonna update you guys on Belize. Me have a Trinidad video on a little robber boy who them kill, and me go talk about him. And remember, the mystery artist is still in town, and me preview another one of his song all day upon the channel. Karma G5, big up yourself. All of the fans them in Trinidad, Jamaica, New York. We have people as far as Bermuda. You understand? Yo, Dominica, big up yourself. Listen, Countryman, I'm out. And one more person we have to big up. Nanny, you know who me I talk. Big up yourself. I'm out.